Kumar, and today I am going to discuss accusative case in German language. Okay, if you want to get my daily video updates, then please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so what is accusative case? Okay, so accusative is an object, and in accusative case, we always talk about the object. Okay, guys, and in accusative case we use direct object. Okay, as we know, there are two types of object. First is direct object and second is indirect object. Okay, so if there is a direct object in a sentence, then we will use accusative case. Okay, and if there is indirect object in a sentence, then we will use dative case. Okay, so this is the structure of sentence. Okay, so first we write the subject. Okay, then we write the verb. Okay, and then we write the object. Okay, so subject will be always in nominative. Okay, and object will be always in accusative or dative. Okay, it depends upon the object. Okay, yeah, so object can be a singular or can be a plural. Okay, object can be a person or can be a thing. Okay, like I'm asking you, okay, when treffen Sie, okay, whom are you meeting? Okay, and you answer, ich treffe einen Freund. Okay, so ich is a subject. Okay, there is a verb treffen. Okay, ich treffe einen Freund. So einen Freund is a direct object. Okay, so we will use accusative case here. Okay. Next sentence is was hast du? Okay. What do you have? Okay. And you can you answer ich habe einen Ball. Okay. I have a ball. Okay. So einen Ball is a direct object. Okay. So we will use accusative case here. Okay, yeah, and we can also recognize accusative case by the verb. Okay, guys, if the verb is accusative, then object is also accusative. Okay, and accusative verbs are given below. Okay, first is suchen. Okay, besuchen, kochen. Okay, essen, trinken. Okay, lachen, leben, kennen. Okay, haben, wohnen. So these are the accusative verbs. Okay, and which takes always accusative object. Okay, so now we will see the sentences. Okay, yeah, so before the sentence we will learn, okay, the article. Okay, so there are three types of article. First is bestimmt. Okay, second is unbestimmt, and third one is negative article. Okay, so in bestimmt article, what we write in accusative case? Den, die, das, and die. Okay, if the noun is masculine, then we use den. If the noun is feminine, then we use die. If the noun is, yeah, neutral, then we use das. And if the noun is plural, then we use die. Like in unbestimmt article, einen, eine, ein. Okay, and in negative, keinen, keine, kein, keine. Okay, and there is a sentence. Okay, if I say I am searching the pen. Okay, ich suche den Kuli. Okay, guys, so when why den Kuli? Because verb is accusative. Okay, and Kuli is masculine. Okay, Kuli is masculine, so we will write here ich suche den Kuli. Okay, you can see here den Kuli, masculine. Next is I am searching a pen. Okay, I am searching a pen. Okay, a pen which is in unbestimmt form. So einen Kuli. Okay, and verb is accusative here. Okay, so we will follow the accusative case. Okay, and in masculine, what we write? Einen. Okay, so we have written here ich habe einen Kuli. Okay, ich suche einen Kuli. Okay, guys, next is I'm not searching a pen. Okay, so here is not. Okay, so what will be the sentence? Ich suche keinen Kuli. Okay, guys, keinen generally we use in case of negative sentences. Okay, and pen is masculine. Okay, so that's why we have used keinen. Okay, yeah, next is you are visiting me. Okay, and sentence is du besuchst mich. Okay, du besuchst mich, and verb is accusative here. Okay, so the object is always accusative. Okay, so that's why we have used here mish. Okay, so what we say me in accusative, me as an object, we use mish. You can see the table ish, mish, mere. Ish we use as a subject, mish and mere we use as a object. If the verb is accusative, then we will use mish. If the verb is dative, then we will use mere. Okay. Next is she is eating a pizza. Okay, so the sentence is sie isst eine Pizza. Sie isst eine Pizza. Okay, so pizza is feminine. Okay, guys, so we have used eine. This one. Okay, if the noun is neutral, then we use ein. Okay. Next is we are eating the mango. Okay, wir essen die Mango. Okay, so why the mango, guys? Because mango is feminine. Okay, and in feminine, what we write in accusative? The. Okay, so we are essen the mango. Okay, next I love you. Okay, so I, which is a subject. Okay, love, which is a verb. Okay, and you, which is an object, or you can say which is an direct object. So the sentence will be ich liebe, okay, ich liebe dich. Okay, I love you. Okay, so why we use dish here? Because there is a table. Okay, do, dish, dear. Okay, so generally in objective form we use dish, which means you. Okay? Yeah, ich liebe dich. Next, I love the books. Ich liebe die Bücher, okay, which is in accusative form, plural. You can see here. In plural, what we use, guys? Die. This one. Okay. Yeah. Next sentence is like if I say, I am searching. Okay. I am searching the room. Okay. So the sentence will be, Ich suche das Zimmer. Okay, so the article of room is das. Okay, guys, which is neutral. Das Zimmer. Okay, so that's why we have used here is suche das Zimmer. Okay, next sentence is like I am searching. Okay, a room. Okay, so the sentence will be ich suche ein Zimmer. Okay, article is das. Okay, and in unbestimmt what we write, guys? Ein. Okay, so is suche ein Zimmer. You can see here in neutral what we write, guys? Das. Okay, and in unbestimmt what we write? Ein. Okay, so like this way you can write the sentences in accusative case.